Hi, Jules.
Hi, how are ya?
Good.
So you guys had treats back there. Where are they now?
Well, you know, for some of your photos, you looked a little like you're ready for a nap.
Well, it's been a long day. You want to know what I did today?
Tell me.
I ate.
Yeah.
And then I went to the bathroom. And then I played with some puppies. And then I ate. And then I went to the bathroom. and then I played with some more puppies. And now I'm exhausted.
Here we are.
I just want to take a nap, but I can't nap when there's food in front of me.
No, and the camera in your face.
Yeah. Where'd that treat go?
I think it's gone. Where's the treat machine?
There's the treat machine. Woo! I take it very nicely.
Very nicely.
Yes. So, you'll find me a home with a treat machine?
Well, we'll try.
We'll try. You gotta do better than try.
We'll put that in the description. Mandatory. Treat machine in home.
Don't forget.
Okay, we won't.
Alrighty.
So you're a good girl.
I'm a wonderful girl. Go find me a home.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.